All right.
Good afternoon, Explorers.
Hey.
We are
The Eco-Rhythmics. See, up. That's right. Thank you. Thank you. Very kind. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Good afternoon, everyone. Hey there.
Good afternoon, Explorers. My name is Xavier, but I like to go by the nickname Ricky because I love taking these materials and turn them into musical instruments with my friends, my boys, Eco-Rhythmics.
Yeah, my name's Anthony, but I like to go by Reduce because I'm all about reducing waste and protecting the planet.
Hey everyone, my name is Sammy, but you can call me by my nickname, Recycle. That's because I like finding unused things and using them to purpose. I'm also a musicologist and an environmental educator. Our mission here at the Eco-Rhythmics is to spread the message about environmental sustainability and inspire others to use it. Try to guess this next song. There you go, that's how you do it.
I go on a fan. You know this one. Hey, you know what? Y'all are probably wondering what some of these cool things are on these amazing carts of ours, aren't you?
Possibly.
For example, right here, this is PVC. I found it at a construction site. They were getting rid of it, but I knew I could turn it into a cool instrument. Check this out.
Wow.
Okay.
That sounds amazing. You know, as a musicologist, I'm just fascinated how different materials create different sounds, like these pans I have over here. The smaller ones make higher sounds, the larger ones make lower sounds. And just the thing, I found these behind Retrontosaurus. Guess what? They weren't going to use it anymore. Now I have a musical instrument.
Yeah. Alright, I just love how all of this is coming together. Anyone can take these materials and turn them into musical instruments. Plastic, you can see metal pots and pans. Let me show what I've been working on here. I have this wooden box right here. It's actually called the cajon. The cajon is actually come through. Families can take drawers out of their kitchen, turn them sideways, and use them as musical instruments. Hey, fellas,
Yo, yeah.
I'm going to do a little demo of the cajon.
Yeah, all right, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
trying to reduce the amount of plastic that makes it into the landfill. That's
yeah.
right. See, someone understands what I'm saying. Anyone out there do something to take care of the environment at home? Yeah, what do you do? Clean up your room after yourself.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
really good.
Let's find some plastic
That
bottles
helps
around
out
here
the
somewhere.
environment at home. That's right.
love
Hey,
it.
for you, share something.
Yeah, listen, I love to shop online. We got any online shoppers out there? Okay, 1, 2, all right. We'll talk about it later. You guys talk about that later. Listen, I love to shop online, which means I get the opportunity to recycle either the cardboard, the box that I get from the product that I purchased. They reduce. What do you
Yeah.
do?
Well, I like to use compost. And right here, I took these plastic bottles, I cut them in half, turned them into planters. I've added compost and soil, and together it makes beautiful flowers. Just like together, we make beautiful music.
Yeah, let's go.
Ah, you hear this groove? That can only mean one thing. It's time for everyone here to become an eco-rhythmic by clapping our hands. So everyone clap along with us. You got it. You sound awesome. Keep those hand claps going. I got one for you over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I keep those hand claps going. Great. This is Crash and Camp from the Wooden Bar Band. In other words, you start to sing along, all right? Here we go. Do it again. One more time.
All right, if you're having a good time out there, let me hear you make some noise.
Thank you.
I love that. We got the Lion King fans out there. Let me see my Lion King fans. All right, some people held up the real fans. Like, it's hot. Yeah, that's right. This is Lion King. You guys know the song, sing along, all right?
Oh yeah, good time.
Yep. Yep. Here we go.
Thank you very much.
Guys, once again, we are
The Eco-Rhythmic. 3, 4.
Hey, nice job, everybody.
There y'all. Have fun.